go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Today I have a pool float Christmas DIY for you. I have been seeing these pool floats in Dollar Tree this season for a while, and I've been passing them, and I finally decided to purchase a few of them. They come in green, white, and red, and I was very shocked to see pool floats in Dollar Tree this time of the year, so I knew that I had to create something with these floats. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like these type of videos, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. For this particular project, it took 4 bundles of the Dollar Tree garland. You can purchase garland anywhere, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, any store of your choice. I also recommend that you do not use hot glue for this project with the foam pool float involved. If you do use hot glue, it will melt the pool float itself. So pretty much I use any type of strong tape, which is like a clear duct tape, or any brand of tape of your choice to put together your pool float. But if you use hot glue, it will melt the pool float. This is how I make my bows. I know you all have seen me make bows time and time again. This is a way that I make my larger bows. I'm not a bow expert. I am a self-taught bow maker. Pretty much I do my bows in layers. And this is just how I choose to create them.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving's so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
This is the finished product of my DIY poo float decor. It looks so good. It was cheap, quick, and affordable. I even love how the lights look. I love lights. I'm very festive. During this time of the year, everything looks so good. I love the colors, and I'm noticing I'm starting to love the buffalo chick too. That is something new for me. It's looking really good this season. And also to all of my new subscribers and all of my old subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter.